Very simple example. We have a number 576. This is a number like any other number. Okay, and our object, the question, it is asking us not to actually divide this number by 3. Okay, we are not being asked to do this division, right? For whatever reason, in the question, what we have to do is we have to find out whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, which means that when I do this division, my remainder should be equal to 0. Okay, that is what the question is asking me. When the question is asking only for divisibility, whether the number is divisible by 3 or not, for example, in that case, do not do the long division. I mean, one way to solve the problem would be to actually do this division. We can do this division and find out whether remainder is 0 or not, but that will take a lot of time. So we are not going to do that. We are going to use the divisibility test of 3. And what is divisibility test of 3? It says that if the sum of the digits, so for 3, this would be if I add the digits and the sum of these digits, if that is divisible by 3, the original number is also divisible by 3. So let us just do that. So what do? 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. Now this 18 is actually divisible by 3. Okay, 3 6 are 18. So I get 6 and no remainder. Okay, so this 18 is much smaller than 576 first of all. And we have figured out that because the sum of numbers, that is 18, is divisible by 3, we can say very easily this 576 is also divisible by 3. Let us just verify that by doing the long division. Okay, we are just going to do this for the divisibility test of 3, and of course 3, 7 are the most important divisibility tests. So if we have studied 3, 7 we'll study in a second. So this is 3 ones are 3, this is 2 7, 3 9s are 27, so this becomes 0 and then 6, and now 3 2s are 6. So this answer is 0. There is no remainder whatsoever. This number completely goes in 3, and that is what we found out from the divisibility test as well. Okay, we don't really have to find the quotient. We only have to find whether the remainder after division by 3 would be 0 or not. And to do that, we are going to use this very simple divisibility test. Add the digits. If their sum is divisible by 3, the original number is also divisible by 3. The same thing goes for 9. So we're just going to do that. We are going to add the digits of this number together, and this comes out to be 8 plus 2 is 10, 10, 18, and this we are going to divide by 9, okay, not 3. If the sum of the digits, that is 18, is divisible by 9, is it divisible? Yes, it is, because I get a quotient of 2 and there is no remainder. Therefore, because the sum is divisible by 9, therefore the original number is also divisible by 9. So that is the tests which are based on addition of digits. We add all the digits and there are 2, 3 and 9.